Whoa, it's Nick Jr. and Nickelodeon. Oh my goodness, we love the shows on Nick Jr. and Nickelodeon. We love the big splat of the Nickelodeon logo. And Nick Jr. is kind of fun. They use two different symbols a lot, larger and smaller, like a mama elephant and a baby elephant. This has a mom or dad and a kid, and they're off playing and getting ready to have some fun watching Nick Jr. And the Nickelodeon splat looks like a couple different things, and sometimes it looks like a submarine. What I want to know today is, what is your favorite Nick Jr. or Nickelodeon show? Because if you let me know, I will make sure that I make some Play-Doh surprise eggs of it. In the meantime, we're gonna open up this really cool Nick Jr. and Nickelodeon Play-Doh surprise egg. How cool is that? And now we have Nick Jr. Kind of looks like little gingerbread men.
Yum, 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 yum. Can't catch me, we're the Nick Jr. men. N-I-C-K Jr.
Now do we splat it? It's not working. Oh, look at that. Wait, what? Same color. Now how about splat here? Let's do it this way. Nope. That's one tough egg. Whoa. Peppa Pig. Huh? Oh, look, we have another Shopkins basket.
That is Paw Patrol. You know who that is? Rocky the Eco Pup. And Zuma. And Robo Pup. Oh, stand up there, Robo. You're falling down. Got any more? Oh, yes, yes. Rubble. Very appropriate name, Mr. Rubble. Any more? I want to find one of the girls. Oh, well. There's Chase. Can't do Paw Patrol without Chase. Oh, his little siren thing does not want to go in there. Stop that. Ah, got it. Chase. Any more? There she is, Everest. Oh, Everest colors are awesome.
Paw Patrol. Paw Patrol might just be the most popular show on Nick. You know who that is, right? The kid with the big head is Jimmy Neutron. Full of ideas. Always inventing something. He's got crazy ideas and crazy friends, and he has the craziest big head and big hair ever. Look at that. Jimmy Neutron. Oh, his knees are bending weird. Okay, you know who that is, right? That's Aang, the Last Airbender. Now, I'm only talking about the cartoon. The movie, we might have a different discussion about. Oh, this guy is so poseable. Look at this. He has to be poseable. He's got to like whip his arms around and manipulate the air. So cool. Now, I love the cartoon. It happens to be one of my family's favorites. We've watched them over and over. Aang's gonna hang out with his buddy Rocky. Rocky takes care of the earth, and so does Aang. That's Dora the Explorer, and that's Naya from Dora and Friends. You have a big head, Dora. Goodness, you should hang out with Jimmy Neutron over here. And then your friend can hang out with Rubble. We're getting so many toys here. Okay. We have M&Ms. I know you saw them. I know your mouth was watering. What else do we have? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? It's Geo from Team Umizoomi. Where's your pals Bot and Millie? What have you done with them, Geo? I found Tickety Talk. What do you think about Tickety Talk? Oh, we got some Peter Rabbit toys. We have the whole Peter Rabbit family here. They're the cutest bunnies ever. And we have one last thing in here. And you know who that is? Bob the Builder. There's always things to learn and things to make. And talk about learning, you can learn with all of these shows. But what I want to learn right now is what's in the Shopkins baskets. Okay, I had to look up on my handy dandy guide and find out what we had because there are so many hundreds of Shopkins, it's hard to remember what's what. That is Peta Plant, or maybe it's Petaplant because that is an African violet, I believe, and they're very soft and velvety. And that's Woolly Hat. Ooh, I remember him. He's Petkins Maple Syrup. Oh, well, then it's she. She's Maple Syrup. Oh, look at that. It's another Petaplant. It's the pink one and the blue one. M&Ms. What are we gonna do with those? I'm gonna share them with you. Okay, ready? Gobble them up.
I'm gonna share some with you and you. Oh, there's one for you guys, and there's one for you, 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 and there's some for everybody.
Oh, look at that, Jimmy. It only took a little M&M to knock you over your head so big. Has you off balance. Say goodbye to everybody. Goodbye, everybody. Well, actually, this isn't farewell. This is time to open up another Play-Doh surprise egg.